Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Hi, this is Kathie from Craft with Kathie. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I wanted to talk about this. It's been kind of late in coming with, this has actually been a crazy January between the power going out from the storm and then the internet going out for a couple days and coming back on for an hour and then going out for a couple more days. And then the sub-zero temperatures with the 28 below wind chill. It's been crazy. So this is a little delayed and I do apologize for it, but it's pretty much been things beyond my control. I know I've talked about this and I've posted a couple different things, but I actually wanted to give you the option of seeing it with your own eyes to really get the impact of what this is. So my supplies and whatever arrived and I'm finally doing it. You can join Couture a couple different ways. If you're in Canada, you can actually you can join for free. In the US, it costs, the minimum is $9.99. And we sometimes have, or we usually have a perks pack associated with joining. The $9.99 option, or the free option in Canada, does not come with a perks pack, obviously, because, there's nothing there to cover the cost. But anyway, what I want to do is tell you a little bit about the perks pack and what it includes. We have two different perks packs this month, and you get to choose which one you want if you want to go with that option. However, both of the perks packs come with a $50 designer dollar product credit, and they cost $59. So for $59, you get everything that's in the perks pack. Try saying that fast 3 times, right? Plus you get a $50 credit. So let me show you exactly what comes in the perks pack. Both perks packs come with the current month's Club Couture. And then there is a fuzzing cloth. This is actually the ink perks pack. There's an ink and there's a chalk, and this is the ink. So the ink comes with current month's Club Couture, a fuzzing cloth, a 3-ounce jar of bright white chalk ink, a 3-ounce jar of black velvet chalk ink, a small squeegee, which is larger than the mini squeegee that I usually use, a multi-tool, a transfer trimmers, and the actual ink mat. That I think is 11 by 23 inches. So this is all that comes with the ink perks pack. This plus the $50 credit and product credit, and this is valued at $176. So let me quickly show you what comes in the chalk perks pack. So basically, if you're a maker, a creator, or you love DIY, this might be something that would be right up your alley to save yourself money on supplies, to make a little extra cash on the side, or to actually create your own enterprise. Chalk perks pack also comes with the current month's Club Couture, the $50 in designer product credit, a fuzzing cloth, a transfer trimmers, 2 board erasers, detail tool, multi-tool, paste scraper, small squeegee, a 3-ounce jar of bright white paste, and a 3-ounce jar of black velvet paste. So you could see that the Kickstart Perks Pack for January is really, really a good deal. And of course, by becoming a designer, you could save money on your supplies. You could create another revenue stream, if you will. Or you could do this part-time, you could do it full-time. The choice is up to you. There is never any pressure. If you want to do this just to save money on supplies, that's fine. If you decide to do it to save money on supplies or to cut your costs as a maker if you're reselling finished goods, that's fine too. And if you change along the way and change your mind at any point, let me know and I'll be happy to help you achieve your goals and whatever you want to do. But there's never any pressure. And by joining Chalk Couture, you get an amazing support staff, lots of training, and this awesome, awesome creative community. So I just wanted to show all this really quickly. This is for January. I don't know what's in store for February. January, this is part of our Kickstart, our creative Kickstart, kind of like after the holidays. Every January, you know, there's a little bit of a slump. We're all kind of tired out and whatever. So Chalk always comes out with this Kickstart program to kind of get our creative juices flowing again. So I wanted to show you that. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me either by direct message or email, or just post a comment or whatever. That's fine. If there's anything that I can help clarify or shed light on, I'm always happy to do that. We have a lot of goodies coming up in the next week or so that I'm kind of excited to tell you about and to show you. Sorry, there is so much truly going on. I just lost my train of thought. I do have February's Club Couture. I know I showed you January's the other day. I'm planning on debuting or showing you February's Club Couture on the 1st. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. I think I gave you a little sneaky peek, but I saw something today that someone in our group did that just brings it to a whole new level. One thing I just want to elaborate on a little bit, I've talked about ink and I've talked about chalk. Those are the two mediums that are generally used with our transfers. And note that either of these perks packs don't come with any transfers at all, but you could obviously use your $50 designer dollars. And this is at designer price when you sign up as a designer. Designers, of course, get a discount. But we also have another medium, and that is our etching cream that you can use with our transfers, and it will actually etch glass, which is pretty cool. Of course, as always, if you have any questions about technique or how to use or anything else, just let me know and I'm happy to elaborate or point you in the right direction. Thanks for joining me this evening. Have a great rest of the weekend. I will see you soon.